Escape to a one-of-a-kind rustic cabin on 13 acres. This private retreat features a unique rock formation and stream inside the cabin. The cabin features two bedrooms and three baths with a tower with mountain views. Enjoy old wood charm with modern amenities including two wood stoves and a workshop perfect for homesteading with a canning shed, chicken coop and garden area. Paved year-round access makes it easy to enjoy this timeless escape with modern comforts. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent.